If you don't like bulky solar panels but still want clean energy, then it's time to check out solar fabrics. These new materials are changing how cities look and how they power up. Let's see how. Picture a city where skyscrapers, stadiums, even bus stops don't just use energy, they make it. Solar fabrics are the secret sauce, ultra-light, flexible materials woven or printed with solar cells. They wrap around rooftops, curve over walls, or flutter as awnings, transforming every inch into a silent, steady power plant. Unlike traditional panels, solar fabrics are thin and stylish. Think high-tech cloth, not clunky hardware. They can be see-through, colorful, or even stretched to follow the sun, blending right into a building's design. And because they're made with low-impact materials, they're a win for the planet, too. Imagine stadiums wearing shimmering, sun-tracking skins, or towers that harvest energy just by catching the breeze. As solar fabrics evolve, our cities could become living tapestries, every surface generating clean power, quietly fighting climate change. It's not just innovation, it's weaving sustainability right into the fabric of our everyday urban lives.